Hi friends, good evening. My name is Achyut and I am from Vizag. So today in this class, we will learn about how to remove the grid lines. Like we can see this grid lines, right? We can see this grid lines, right? The column and the rows lines. To remove that, what we have to do is, so first of all, I will read some data here. So we are having some data here, right? So now I will write some data and I will just drag like this and I will want up to 10 and I will give some numbers that just like this. And for try like this, 35, 45, just drag like this and I will give some data like this. So we are having some data like this, right? We are having some data like this. So I want to remove this grid lines and I want to show it in a white page. I want to show it in a white page. So how can you do it? So first of all, you'll be having home insert page layout, formulas, data, review, view, developer help, right? So in that you have to choose view. In that you have to choose view. So here you will be having the grid lines, right? So the stick will include all the grid lines, like whatever the grid lines are there. This tick will tell you it is a symbol where the grid lines are present. For example, if you uncheck this, click the right symbol, see the grid lines were vanished. The grid lines were vanished, right? And if you want to grid lines again, just click on it and your grid lines will be back. So I don't want the grid lines. So you have to uncheck this thing. Then your grid lines will be gone and you want your data in on a your data on a white page. White page. So this is how we can use grid lines in the view option in Excel. So it's a simple class about grid lines, friends. So I think this video is helpful for you. So if you think this video is helpful for you, just click on the like button and please share this video to your friends and family members so that they can be benefited from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification whenever I upload videos in the YouTube, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.